Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Shake to Undo feature on an iPhone. Shake to Undo is an accessibility feature that allows you to undo typing and more on an iOS device. The most common way someone would use this is if you want to undo some typing in a note or web browser. To do this, you just shake your device with enough force, and you'll get an undo pop-up. Tap undo and it'll undo your last text. The way that I use Shake to Undo all the time is inside of my email app. If you're going through and deleting emails too fast, and you realize that you deleted one that you didn't mean to, you can just shake your device and then hit undo to undelete. But if you no longer want this feature enabled, this is how you turn it off. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and then choose Accessibility. Inside of here, select Touch. Here towards the bottom, you'll see Shake to Undo. To disable the feature, just tap the slider on the right to turn it off. And if you ever want to turn it back on, just go back inside of here and tap the slider again to enable it. And that's how you either enable or disable the Shake to Undo feature on an iOS device. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.